front lip, okay? So, I'm finna start it there. I ain't gonna lie, I low-key be hating like when people drive. I be like, hey, looking at me. Whatever. But I'm starting this front lip. I got it from, hold on, let me see. I got it. Wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, here you go. I got it from Rolling Gears. It was like, it's like $100. You know, nothing too crazy. I got it from Rolling Gears, $100. We finna start this shit today. This last minute, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I got this shit yesterday. I got it yesterday. I decided to install it when it's about to be dark. So we're gonna try to hurry up because I do got things to do tonight. So let's just get into it. I kind of like already went through it just to make sure, you know, all the pieces are here, but I kind of reboxed it just to give y'all an unboxing. It's the front lip part. Right here, as you see. I'm in the wrong pants, my Hellside pants, but I don't really care. So here we got one of our side lip, one other pieces. I thought that would go far. Alright, so we got the other side piece, as you see. And then right here. Whoa, I want y'all to find the way now. Hold on. Double-sided tape and the screws. And last piece we got is boom, middle piece. So we got all the pieces. I'm gonna use this to on my knees, no homo. So actually, all right. I'll screw it up.
Yeah, you gotta screw them together. Those, the outside pieces go. I just showed you.
Oh yeah, like that.
Screw those in. That goes on top.
Okay. Yeah, I remember this going on top. No, this going on the other side. Okay, yeah. I'm screwing on top for that.
So these screw in the top. Those got to screw in still.
Yes, the both of them got black. Got a black one.
Okay, will you screw them in?
I'm thinking still from the bottom.
You don't watch the video?
Yeah, it's from the bottom. When I seen he screwed them all in from the bottom.
Okay. Okay, yeah. These go. Well, hold on. Which means program. That's the only issue.
You think only Honda can do that?
Huh?
Only Honda probably can do that?
So what?
Only Honda can do that? There you got closer. Yeah, right now I'm just screwing in all the different screws.
I see exactly how you want to fit, because that's, you doing stuff like this, you gotta
The middle end first and then do the sides.
start doing that, and they just catch you.
Front.
Sometimes you gotta push it hard.